Hello and welcome back. Do you still doing all your marketing manually? In 2025, that's like using a flip phone in the age of AI agents. Let's see how we can build together AI agent to help you. AI agents are digital assistants that think, learn and act. They don't just give you answers, they take action. Perfect for automating repetitive marketing work. AI agent can help you in real marketing use cases like email AI writing and scheduling, AI responding to DMs, auto-generating blog ideas, AI A/B testing ads. So you can use them to create content, answer customers, segment leads, run A/B tests, even launch full campaigns. No code, no problem. Tools like AutoGPT and ChatGPT with Zapier let you build these agents in minutes. No PhD required. You may use AI tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, ChatGPT plus Zapier, LangChain plus CRM tools. You can start with one task, automate, then expand. Soon, your marketing team works 24/7 and never sleeps. So start today, choose the task, pick a tool, set conditions, launch and monitor. If you want a full guide on building your first AI marketing agent, hit like and subscribe to our channel and let's build smarter, not harder. This is the end for today. Thank you and goodbye.